Hello guys, welcome to today's channel. So today I'll be showing you how to bridge between blockchains. So a practical example would be bridging between AVAX and Phantom, right? So switch over to Wonderland here, right? So let's say you staked your time. Let's say you staked your time on Wonderland, right? And you've gotten wrapped memo, or you've gotten memo and you decided to wrap your memo by clicking on wrap here, right? So you set your memo and you get wrapped memo, right? Now, this wrapped memo is on the Avalanche blockchain, right? And if you want to say yes, as you wrapped your memo, right? The price of your wrapped memo increases by this APY, right? So the quantity of the memo might not increase. The quantity of the memo will not increase, but the price of the memo will increase by 86,000%. Now, if you want to take this to another level, right, you can stake your wrapped memo. Right? But currently, one of the few places you can stake your wrapped memo is on Phantom blockchain. Now, you have to bridge your AVAX to your Phantom, right? And how do you do this? You go to a website called AnySwap.exchange, right? Once you go to this website, right, you link your wallet, link your MetaMask wallet, your Trust wallet, right? Once you link your wallet, click on router, right? And you select a token. Let's say it's BC Finance, or okay, no, you go to Avalanche, right? To ask you to switch network, right? Once you switch your network, takes you to Avalanche, sorry, and you select your token. Let's say I have wrapped memo. Yes, there it is, right? I select wrapped memo. Then down here, you select wrapped memo as well, and then you select Phantom, right? Good. Insert insert the number of Oracle number you want to transfer. Note there's a 0.1% cross chain fee, right? Once you do that, you swap, boom, you have wrapped memo on Phantom. Now you may be asking yourself, where can I stick my wrapped memo, right? Now you open up Finance, right? So Finance is a multi-chain yield optimizer where your yield is also compounded to get you better yield, right? Go over to the Phantom network. So it has Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Pico, Polygon, and Phantom, right? It has all these smart chains where you can stake and earn rewards, right? So now go to Phantom. Once you go to Phantom, right, you switch over. Remember we switched to Avalanche the last time. Now we're switching back to Phantom, right? You connect your wallet, right? And then you search for here this liquidity pool memo mean LP, right? And you deposit your wrapped memo. And once you deposit your wrapped memo, slide out to 100%. You can see I have some wrapped memo. And once you slide this to 100%, click on deposit, right? And so this is what's going to happen. So the deposit will result in one, to balance a liquidity pair, you swap zero memo for 0.0024432 MIM, right? You receive liquidity and add liquidity to receive wrapped memo dash MIM SLP. You deposit received MIM SLP to Jiffy Vault and return unused trace amount of wrapped memo and to your wallet, right? There's a 0% deposit fee and 0% withdrawal fee. Once you deposit this, your wrapped memo that's already compounding at A wrapped memo that is already compounded at 90 something thousand percent, right, is going to also compound more because now you are increasing it by 45% APY, right? And to withdraw what you staked, right, you simply come here and select what you want. So you can select you want wrapped memo or you can select MIA, right? So if you select wrapped memo, this is what is going to happen, right? You redeem the most spirit MIA wrapped memo token for wrapped memo dash MIA, right? It will remove liquidity from this token to receive wrapped memo and MIM, right? Now, because you selected wrapped memo, it will sell your MIM and buy wrapped memo, right? Once you sell your MIM and buy wrapped memo, it will not transfer wrapped memo to your wallet, right? So, for those of us that are holding time long term, right, you can always use this method to supercharge or to boost your ridiculous APY, right? Thank you all for today's video. Kindly like and subscribe.